So do you have an 11 to 16 LML Duramax? If you do, you need to check out what we have to offer for bolt-on performance upgrades. On the table here in front of us today, we've got all the components that make up our Stage 3 high flow kit. Now, Stage 1 is a few components, Stage 2, a couple more, Stage 3, the whole package. The Stage 1 package is essentially the intercooler plumbing and the Y-bridge kit. So we start with our hot side intercooler pipe. This replaces the OEM 2.5-inch two-piece intercooler pipe with a mandrel bent 14-gauge aluminum high-flow intercooler pipe. The factory pipe on these trucks are super notorious for having failure at the intercooler connection, blowing off the turbocharger, leaving you with an underboost situation, stuck on the side of the road, always when you're towing something, of course. So we have a high-quality upgraded silicone boot with a wire reinforcement and a much better T-bolt clamp connection than the factory style. This is a very, very good reliability upgrade on the LML platform. Moving from the hot side pipe, we go over to our cold side intercooler, the passenger side pipe. On the LML Duramax, the passenger side pipe is plastic. Again, another failure-prone component. If you have upgraded turbochargers or performance tuning, or you're really working your truck and using it, towing heavy, these factory parts will fail even sooner and even easier. So we upgrade that factory plastic part with a 3.5-inch high-flow 14-gauge aluminum pipe, just like the driver's side hot side pipe, but larger in diameter. We've got a silicone boot connection at the top and the bottom to give good movement and sealing connection at those two joints, unlike the factory connections, which are notorious for leaks. That cold side pipe connects to the factory throttle valve and grid heater, which then connects to our upper crossover. The factory upper crossover pipe is a cast aluminum piece, and it is about 1.5 inch, 1.75 inch cross section. It's a crushed down component. What we've done is designed a 3-inch mandrel bent upper crossover pipe, which flows much better than the OEM component, much cleaner looking unit. We've relocated the MAF sensor. All the factory sensors on all of these parts fit just like they should, so that there's no tuning required and no concern for any engine lights. That upper crossover pipe has a specially designed flange, larger than the OEM style crossover pipe, which we offer in our separate intercooler pipe package. The reason for that is it connects to our high flow Y-bridge. This right here is the industry's first and the only one on the market for the LML Duramax that is truly a bolt-on, no tuning required, high performance upgrade for the LML platform. We've spent countless hours in CAD on this part, giving this thing the largest inlet size and flow path down to the intake runners that we can. Still fit all the factory components, and it flows 36% better than the OEM Y-bridge. We've opened up the top to a full 3-inch diameters, unlike the factory 2.5-inch component. So that is our Stage 1 package. Both intercooler pipes, upper crossover, and Y-bridge. If you're looking to take the next step, you go to our Stage 2 kit. The Stage 2 kit is all of those components with the addition of our intake system and our high flow intake horn. So the intake system starts with our fabricated sheet metal aluminum air box. Very nice component, fits right in the OEM location, bolts down. We've got our nice WC Fab tag on the top. The lid is bolt on, very simple with 4 screws, so you can access that air filter. That air filter is the next part in the system. This is our dry high flow air filter with a washable water repellent air filter sock over the top. That air filter connects to our 4-inch mandrel bent high flow intake pipe. So this replaces the factory plastic intake system. We've got the MAF sensors all strategically located, tested on the flow bench, so that those MAF sensors are in the proper location to not throw any service engine lights or cause any poor drivability instances. That high flow intake pipe connects via our silicone boot to our cast aluminum high flow intake horn. Another huge part over the factory plastic component. We've got provisions for the factory PCV system. We've got an O-ring seal at the face of the turbocharger, so we don't have to worry about leakage like the factory ones are notorious for. This part bolts in place with the factory drop-in style VGT turbo, clears the high flow Y-bridge, and that's what rounds out our Stage 2 high flow bundle kit. Now, if you want everything we have to offer, for the intake system, bolt-on high-performance upgrades for the LML, that would be our Stage 3 package. Everything we just talked about with the addition of our stainless steel high-flow downpipe. Now we've got two different downpipes on the table here in front of us. Both downpipes have all the necessary bungs to use the OEM required sensors so that it's, again, a bolt-on component, increasing performance, increasing exhaust flow, and restriction from the engine while not throwing any engine lights. If you've got an 11 to 14 Duramax, you're going to have our V-band style connection. If you've got a 15 to 16 style Duramax, you're going to have the 3-bolt flange connection. So that wraps up our Stage 3 high-flow bundle package. Last but not least, of course, all WC Fab product comes in our high-quality, state-of-the-art powder coat finish, all done here in-house. We take great pride in all of our product at WC Fab. We design, we test, we manufacture, we machine, we powder coat. We do everything we possibly can in-house here. Even our cast aluminum bridges and our cast aluminum horns, all casted here in the United States. We don't outsource anything we don't have to, and we are very happy to say that. This is our WC Fab Red, our signature red. We've got all kinds of colors to pick from. We've got a half a dozen colors in stock on the shelf that are ready to ship if you're in a hurry. If you're willing to wait a little bit longer, you can choose any of our custom colors and have that really special underhood appearance on your truck. If you've got any questions about our bundle packages for the LML Duramax, whether it be the stage kits we talked about or our intercooler pipe upgrade kit, which is just the intercooler pipes and the upper crossover, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team and we'd be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching.